In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train Claude AI to write like you. Now, I know you're eager to get started on crafting content that resonates with your unique style, so let's jump right in. The goal here is to help Claude AI mirror your personal writing voice by analyzing and understanding the characteristics that make your writing distinct. We begin by analyzing your style. Take some time to consider what exactly defines your writing. Think about the tone you naturally convey through your words. Is it formal, professional, or perhaps more laid back and conversational? Pay attention to your sentence structure. Do you lean towards complex, intricate sentences? Or do you prefer short, straightforward ones? And let's not forget about vocabulary. Do you often use sophisticated, specialized terms, or do you stick to everyday language? Identifying these key elements will form the foundation for training Claude to emulate your voice. Now that you have a clear understanding of your style, it's time to create sample prompts. These prompts are essentially guidelines you provide to Claude. They encapsulate the elements of your writing that you've just identified. A good example might be, write content using these principles. Start with simple language, avoid overused phrases, and write conversationally. Be honest, clear, and concise, focusing on readability. This step is crucial as it helps set the parameters within which Claude will operate, guiding it toward producing content that aligns with your voice. As you craft these sample prompts, also remember to provide examples within them. Including snippets of your past writing can serve as vital references for Claude. These samples act as concrete illustrations of the style you're aiming for and give Claude a benchmark to strive towards. So, take a moment to gather a few pieces of your work that clearly demonstrate the style you wish to replicate, and include them in your prompts. With our prompts ready, we move on to iterating and refining. This step is about testing the prompts and refining them based on the output you receive. Begin by feeding Claude your prompts and reviewing the content it generates. Does it match your style closely? If not, consider which elements are off mark and tweak the prompts accordingly. Maybe the tone was slightly too formal, or the vocabulary was not quite aligned. Adjust your instructions and samples to better capture your unique voice. Remember, it's a process of trial and error, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few attempts to get it just right. Through this method, you can effectively guide Claude AI to reflect your writing style without needing complex fine-tuning. By carefully analyzing your style, creating targeted prompts, backing them up with examples, and continuously iterating based on the results, you can ensure Claude writes in a way that truly resonates with your unique voice. Thanks for following along, and happy writing!